So, Lovers Moon daw guys, plucking pattern tutorial. So, ito tuturuan ko guys, simple lang. So, yung plucking pattern niya guys is bass, tapos 3, 2, 3. Yan. Ulit. Bass, tapos 3, 2, 3. Yung chords guys is apat lang. May G, E minor, C, tapos D. Yung bass sa G guys is andito sa 6th string. Yung bass sa E minor is 6th string din. Yung bass sa C is andito sa 5th string. Yung bass sa D is andito sa 4th string. Yan. Baling pattern is bass tapos 3, 2, 3. So sige guys, try natin katayin para may guide din kayo guys. So ito siya. There's a lover's moon tonight as I look back over my shoulder. All the stars are shining bright, just like the nights when I used to hold her. She's out there somewhere under the lover's moon. Then dito sa verse 2, lover's moon, won't you shine on me? I'm dancing with a memory. Wish I may, I wish I might have one last chance to hold her tight, waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. So yun yung chords niya guys, pabalik-balik lang, G, E minor, C, D. Yan lang talaga yung chord progression na. Tapos yun na yung plucking pattern niya guys sa whole song. So kayo na lang magpatulong guys. So kung nakatulong sa iyo, like, comment, and share this video para malaman din iba. Yun lang, salamat.